All right, another fine day working at Gold's Garage. Today we're making a house call with one of our buddies. We're getting ready to paint this beautiful John Deere tractor here. Got it all ready, primed up. There's that green. She's gonna be going on real soon. We're getting ready for first coat now, stay tuned. All right, Goals. Here she is, John Deere green. So I said I just stopped over to help out a buddy. Spray his tractor today. I didn't use this video as a video to explain how to paint. I just wanted to show some of the things that we do here at Gold's Garage. We're hot rodders, we're car builders. We help each other out. Good group of friends. This happens to just be one of my good buddies. He's a big time tractor collector, he and his brother. So we can help them out once in a while, definitely we do. Thanks guys for the opportunity to put some green on this machine. We look forward to seeing you next time. We'll follow up with some how-to videos along the way for painting, but we just wanted to get some pictures out there, show the world some of the stuff we do, show them some of our quality. All right, thank you for viewing. Have a great day.